Hey everyone! If you initially set up your Galaxy Watch 6 using a different phone and now you wish to switch, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I will guide you on how to seamlessly transfer your Galaxy Watch 6 to a new phone. In the past, transferring a Galaxy Watch to a different phone required resetting your watch first, and then you needed to do setup. But with the Galaxy Watch 6, you are not required to reset your watch. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the process. First, swipe up on your Galaxy Watch 6 to access the setting. Tap on it and then scroll down and select General. Now tap on the option Transfer Watch to New Phone. Here, you will get some guide about transferring your watch to a new phone. A crucial requirement is that the Google account on the watch and the new phone must be same. So you need to ensure that the Google account on this phone matches the one that you have on your Galaxy Watch 6. If you have signed into a Samsung account on the new phone, that account will be used on the watch as well. Now tap the check mark. In the new phone, open the Samsung Galaxy Wearable app and tap on Continue. The Wearable app starts scanning nearby devices. It will show a nearby device list. Tap on your Watch 6. After this, 6-digit number will appear on your phone and watch. Confirm it from your phone. After confirming, your watch shows a pop-up to check your phone to complete the setup. On the phone, the app will proceed to download the necessary software, including updates and data transfer. Be patient as it counts to 100%. After completing this, accept any prompts that show up, agree to terms and conditions, and allow necessary permissions. Finally, choose your update preference. I will choose to update manually. The setup process is almost complete. Just a few minutes to go. And there you have it. The watch and phone are successfully paired. It is the easiest way to connect your Galaxy Watch 6 with the new phone without resetting the watch. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video and found it helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more wearable tech tips and reviews. For any questions, feel free to use the comment section.